All right, welcome to the WordPress dashboard, and this is where our journey begins. So this is this is the WordPress welcome dashboard, in which when you log into your WordPress dashboard, this is what you are going to show. And right there we have a lot of links. We have different links that can help you get started. For instance, this big button right there is the customizing your website button. So when you click on it, you'll be able to customize your site. We also have some other links, such as writing your first blog post. So if you are just starting out with your website, so you can easily click this link to start writing your blog post. And this is the about us page. So if you want to write an about page, so all you have to do is you click on link, you set up your own page, manage widgets, manage menus, turn comment on and off, and the like. So although all of these parts are still something that we are still going to touch in the later videos, these are just some links to help you get started when you are just getting started with WordPress. So but in the later videos, we are still going to discuss more on each of on what each links means and how they work. But something that is very important that I would like you to know on this welcome dashboard is, even though you can be able to access other links in the other section, for instance, if you want to write your first blog post, you can easily do that by moving on to the post and clicking on add new, which we are going to touch in the later tutorials. But something I want to point out in this welcome dashboard is the quick draft section. So the quick draft section is simply for let's say you have an idea, so you want to write an article and you have a rough idea, so but you do not have the full idea at the moment. So you can simply type in the title of the article and the short summary, so that whenever you are less busy, you can now start writing an article on it. So let's say I want to write a topic on how to maintain a WordPress website, but at that moment I'm not comfortable writing the full article. So as I can simply save it as a quick draft and write something like how to maintain a WordPress website. So this is just a quick draft in which I can later write my full content later. So, and I can write a summary of what I intended to write. Summary: use strong passwords, back up your website, avoid using old things, protect your site with a security plugin, etc. So I can just save it as saved draft. So what this simply means is that I've already saved it as a draft, so I can easily come back to the draft, and maybe I do not want to write the full article now, so I can later come back and write something on the article. So you have other links on the welcome dashboard which are also quite useful, but the most important thing that you need to know is the quick draft. So you can use that to generate your ideas, and as you later add new plugins to your website, to your WordPress dashboard, so you'll be able to see some new and more functionality on your welcome dashboard.